Yay! So do we start now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yay! Wait, where's that song?
That's where I have proof. I have proof I can show clear this song.
Where is that
I lost
song?
her.
Oh, there it
The
is.
recommended. The recommended.
I almost full comboed Marble Blue on Expert. Oh my gosh. Before, I almost did.
I last time I ever tried to get full combo, I got a single good, and that just made me rage quit for the whole day.
Yes, I also rage quitted when it was the last note to make me get full combo. And right where I literally clicked the that note, it gave me one combo at the end. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I lost my life.
I'm a sub player.
Stop giving! Oh my gosh, TikTok's giving! The TikTok literally gave me a freaking notification! And yes, I lost a couple of lives because it made me lag a lot. Oh my gosh! I am dead! Because of the TikTok
Oh my gosh.
notification.
Oh my gosh, I'm dying.
I'm already dead.
Hold up, I'm not even near dying yet.
What?
Oh shit, I'm low HP.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh, I just died.
I'm already. Um, Ay! I'm missing a lot of this part. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
My neck hurts from looking down, actually. Also, Verdi. Verdi.
Yeah.
Verdi? Wait, I heard myself say Verdi.
Birdie?
I heard myself say Verdi. Anyways,
Bye bye, little butterfly.
Verdi.
What?
Tomorrow's our recognition. I'm so excited.
Yes, I think you told me that.
I don't. Oh, I don't know what to.
Hold up. Is my screen visible from your screen?
I mean, I can't see your screen. I don't know what to do.
I'm sharing it.
I can see your screen. Oh my god, it's so fine. Let's.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Monster.
I've never. I almost got a full
Oh my
combo.
gosh, I full combo that part.
Good for you then. The lag? Oh my gosh, I'm actually gonna crash out because of this lag.
No,
Stop making
there's
me
no
miss!
combo.
It's making me miss even though I'm clicking it. Did you pass me your problem or something?
Maybe.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, how am I still not dead? Oh my gosh! I'm just gonna sacrifice. Oh my gosh!
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, it's so so
One,
sad.
one, 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 one.
What
Oh
the
my
hell?
gosh! Oh my gosh, this is making me dizzy. Oh my gosh! Oh my
Oh my gosh, I'm alive! I'm alive with your horrible team. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, my neck hurts. I'm gonna play while laying down. I'm gonna play while laying down because my neck hurts.
Oh, okay.
Trust rank up! Yay! Okay.
Yes, I finally have proof I can play this on Master and I just don't have to do that.
Yep. Loki, Silvert, I'm gonna post this.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna post this.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
My hair is blocking the screen! Huh? I don't know. Wait, did you heal me or something?
I can't pick when to heal you.
Because I got I got alive.
Of course, you wouldn't know how healing works.
Oh my gosh, I'm at 40 life. Oh, and I'm dead. I will
I'm
sing
dead.
the 6, 7 song and you will sing along. Oh my gosh, I survived. Never mind.
gosh, I feel like dying today.
I'm surprised you haven't said 6-7 yet. Oh my god. She's gonna do it again. That's the first.
Do you remember? Okay. Do you
What?
remember when you just screamed out 6-7 while we were playing?
Oh yeah, I can hear the spells. Okay. Is that right? Verti.
What?
Remember the time that I accidentally read I can hear this picture to I can hear this picture, I mean to I can hear this person.
Huh?
What? Baway sa katis. Baway sa katis sa katis. Oh my god, someone I just got healed.
Good for you, Tim. Yummy.
Oh my gosh! I survived that part.
I love cooked noodles.
Of course you do. I love the
I have
I love pancit canton, but I also love cup noodles. I just like pancit canton better. Oh my gosh! That part just killed me. I give up on this part. Oh wait, you're also dead?
since earlier, Nisha. I've been
Wow.
dead since earlier.
Wow. Wow.
By the way, Nisha, if you wanna feel like you've been doing drugs while if you wanna feel like you've been doing drugs while eating cup noodles, please watch the original song, the original music video of this song.
I don't think I would want to take some, drugs. I don't think I want to take some drugs.
Oh, okay. I think I just called you by your real name. I'm so sorry.
What?
I think I just called you by your real name.
Wait, don't worry. I'll just like put sound effects so it won't really. No.
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Wow.
Thank you. Oh my god.
Sorry, wait lang.
What happened?
If
You're gonna die. She's gonna die. I know that. She's gonna need the healing. Oh my gosh, did I not click that? You're
Nisha,
gonna
I'm gonna go
die.
off the bed.
What? Yes, you did die.
Tulay ko tumapak sa upuan tapos na ano ko.
What?
Natapos na lang.
Anyways, I'm gonna exit the Project Sekai. Whoa, whoa, why? How? How and why? Oh, oh. Wow. Wait, when did you fall just now? Oh. How big is the injury? Also, why are you not talking? Oh, okay. I'm I just want everything here.